Ever wondered how that smooth, high-quality paper gets made? It all starts with a key ingredient: limestone. And not just any limestone. Finely ground limestone that's perfect for the paper and pulp industry. That's where the limestone roller mill comes in. This powerhouse machine is specifically designed to crush and grind limestone into the exact consistency needed for paper manufacturing. Think of it as the secret ingredient for premium paper products. But it's not just about grinding. This mill ensures uniformity, which is crucial for consistent paper quality. No clumps, no variations, just perfectly processed limestone ready to enhance your paper's strength and brightness. What's more, modern limestone roller mills are built for efficiency. They reduce energy consumption and minimize waste, making them a smart choice for sustainable paper production. It's a win-win for both quality and the environment. So, whether you're in the paper industry or just curious about how things are made, understanding this technology is key. The limestone roller mill isn't just a machine. It's a cornerstone of innovative paper manufacturing.